Almost a year ago, the cargo ship Dolly struck the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore, causing a catastrophic collapse that killed 6. Thursday, the National Transportation Safety Board highlighted dozens of bridges in 19 states that have not performed vulnerability assessments if a ship was to hit those bridges. 6 of those bridges are in New York City.
What we are telling bridge owners is that they need to know the risk and determine what actions they need to take to ensure safety.
The bridges highlighted by the NTSB in New York City are the Verrazano Narrows, the Brooklyn, the Manhattan, the Williamsburg, the George Washington, and Outer Bridge Crossing. Keisha Matherin says she uses some of those bridges.
That's a scary thought to think about because millions of people ride the bridges every day.
To hear that we might be vulnerable here in New York was not a surprise.
Robert Sinclair from the AAA says marine shipping has only grown in New York and larger ships are entering our harbors. The New York City Department of Transportation, which owns the Brooklyn, Manhattan, and Williamsburg bridges, tells Newsday it's evaluating the NTSB's study request. The Port Authority, which owns the GW and Outer Bridge, said in a statement that container ships like the Dolly don't pass under its bridges. Still, the NTSB is calling for studies and possible bridge strike protections to be built if needed.
We need action. Public safety depends on it.
So the big question is, should motorists be concerned about driving over these bridges highlighted by the NTSB? Well, the experts say probably not.
These structures are very sound, they're well maintained, and drivers should continue to use them with confidence. But there is that possibility that these things could happen given certain circumstances.
In Manhattan, Andrew Enger, Newsday TV.